do a review on this Kate Spade card holder. And this is called the Kate Spade HOLLIE Spade Clover Geo Emboss. And this is in the color black. I did purchase this at the Kate Spade outlet in Allen, Texas. Me and my daughter had went there to the outlet, so I ended up purchasing this. And this is like super duper cute. It's really it's a little soft, but it has like a little texture to it. So here it is. I thought this was super duper cute. So there's that, and then here's the opening to the inside. And then you have 1, 2, 3 card slots in the front, and then you have 1, 2, 3 card slots in the back. And this retails for like $69, and I want to say I paid like 20, it was like 20 something dollars for it or whatever. It was really cheap because they had I want to say like some extra percentage off or whatever. So let me show you how many cards will fit in here, because I know it has the 3 inserts, but still sometimes you can double up your cards and get a little bit more in there. So I'm just going to stick a couple of store cards that I have in here and let you see. So here are, I have like the store cards in the front, and then I have some in the back, and then like right here in the middle I'll put just a couple of dollars in the inside of there. And I'm sure you can stick some cards in the inside of there also. But there's that. And let me see, I'm gonna double these cards up. Try this little wing stop thingy. So I double these up in the front. So you have 2, 4, 6 cards in the front, and I'm sure you can do the same in the back. I just don't have any more extra cards, but I did put an extra one right here, so it's 5 right here and 6 right here. I mean, no, it's 4 right here, and then it's 6 on this side. But you can put like 2 more extra ones right here or whatever. So yeah. So it holds quite a bit. Like I said, I love the texture of this. This is so cute. I wish they would have had a bag, like a little small crossbody bag in this emboss print, because I probably would have bought that. So that is so cute. But yeah, y'all, this is called the HOLLIE Spade Clover Geo Emboss. And let me show you guys the tag. Like I said, I got this from the Kate Spade outlet. So there's that. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.